Hello and hi everyone. My name is Siti Masarah binti Mustafa and membership number is 818308C. I'm the chairman of the company. So for today, I will tell you about two companies that compare with our company, which is Dutch Lady and Nestle company. It is a company from the same product, which is dairy product. So we will use the 2019, 2020 and 2021 annual report to analyze the financial statement. To get to know in more detail, about these two companies, I will explain the nature of their business. First is a Dutch Lady company. Dutch Lady company is a subsidiary of Friesland's company in the Netherlands and was established in 28 May 1963 in Petani Jaya, Selangor. It is the first company to introduce milk product. The nature of the business to manufacture and distribution dairy and dairy-related product, as special powder for babies and old children, liquid milk in different packaging format, and yogurts. And the last is product of company like milk for growth, powder milk, UST milk, and others. That is Nestle company. Nestle company is the main company. It was established in Switzerland in 1866. Nestle company is the largest public food company in the world. For the nature of the business, is through two segments, which is food and beverage, which is include in nutrition, Nestle Professional and others. And for the product is baby food, including milk, medical food, water, and others. So Hakimi, what about ratio analysis? Can you give more detail about this ratio?
Okay, Farah, I'm going to talk my ratio calculation for the Nestle Malaysia Berhad. Before that, I'm ready to introduce myself. It's Muhammad Kim Hassan and my number is A21A33. We started with current ratio. For 2019, we got 0.65, and 2020, we got 0.59, and 2021, we got 0.59. For quick ratio, 2019, we got 0.31, and so on. Net working capital, we got negative RM 581,737, and for 2020 we get 78,419, and so on. And for the inventory turnover, 2019 we got 6.24, and so on. And asset turnover, we got negative 0, we got 0.959, and turnover asset, we got total asset turnover, we got 0.36. Now we go to leverage ratio. We start with debt ratio. 2019 we got 0.76. Debt to equity 3.10, time to interest and earning we got 24.65, and gross profit margin 2.30, operating profit margin we got 0.94, net profit margin we got 0.69, return on asset we got 0.25, and return on equity we got 1.1. Now we move on to ratio calculation on shoe.
Okay, thank you to our financial operation Mr. Hakimi for the question. I will present the ratio calculation of Dutch Lady Made Malaysia company from year 2019 to 2021. Next, quick ratio. From this, we also get here 2019 get to 0.61, 2020 get 0.42, and 2021 get 1.05. Lastly is net working capital. From this, we found 2019 get 22,470 ringgit, 2020 get negative 35,746 ringgit, and 2021 get 176,117 ringgit. Next, we go to next ratio, that is activity ratio. In this ratio, they have three types, that is inventory turnover. From this, we also get here 2019 get 4.90, 2020 get 4.92, 2021 get 4.56. Lastly is total asset turnover. From this, we get here 2019 get 2.40, 2020 get 2.21, and 2021 get 1.62. For the next ratio, that is leverage ratio. In this ratio, they have five types. The one is debt ratio. From this we get here 2019 and 2020 get 0.67, and 2021 get 0.45. Next, gross profit margin. We found 2019 get 0.38, 2020 get 0.32, and 2021 get 0.35. Lastly, operating profit margin. Of this, we get here 2019 get 0.3, 2020 get 0.09, and 2021 get 0.25. So for the last ratio, that is profitability ratio. In this ratio, they have three types, that is net profit margin, return on asset, and return on equity. Next, we go to net profit margin first. From this, we get here 2019 we get 0.10, 2020 get 0.07. Next, return on asset. This we also get here 2019 get 0.23, 2020 get 0.15, and 2021 get 0.35. Last but not least, return on equity. From this, we found 2019 get 0.7120, 2022 get 0.44, and 2021 get 0.65. So how about the horizontal and vertical report from our executive Atira?
My name is Atira binti Hassan, my metric number 81A2969. I, as Executive Manager, I want to present about vertical analysis. Current ratio. Dutch Lady has the higher current ratio compared to Nestle, so the current ratio of this Dutch Lady is stable. Dutch Lady company quiet ratio is rising better than Nestle in 3 years. Net working capital show that Dutch Lady has a net working capital better than Nestle. This is because Dutch Lady has more asset than Nestle in 2019 to 2021. Inventory turnover. Nestle sell more of their product than Dutch Lady. Meanwhile, Dutch Lady is facing a problem which is a deadline. The fixed asset turnover of Dutch Lady and Nestle is decreased from 2019 to 2021. This means that both companies need to use the equipment efficiently to generate sales. The total asset turnover of Nestle and Dutch Lady occurred. This decrease show that the company is not very efficient in generating sales for the firm. Debt ratio. Nestle has more asset than the big financial to operate the business. Debt to equity. Nestle generally has a higher equity ratio which is considered better. Time interest is low at Nestle but better for Dutch Lady in 3 years. However, Dutch Lady is high ratio indicate that the firm can meet loan requirement. For Nestle, the gross profit margin in 3 years is better than Dutch Lady. A higher gross margin indicate that Nestle is more efficiently run and stable than Dutch Lady. For OPM, Nestle has better OPM because they can pay for their fixed cost and interest on debt better than Dutch Lady. Nestle is more competitive and can offer lower price than Dutch Lady. Nestle net profit margin is better than Dutch Lady because Nestle's sales have increased and its costs have decreased for 3 years. For ROA, the higher percent ROA in Dutch Lady show that the company is more efficient and can make maximum use of its asset to get more profit. After that, the return of higher percentage in Nestle is better than Dutch Lady. In 3 years of return on equity is because the net income for Nestle is good compared to Dutch Lady. So in the horizontal analysis, I will pass to my assistant.
Hi and hello, I am Nur Achira binti Zulkifli as Assistant of Executive Manager. I will continue and present part of horizontal analysis and I can conclude it. So I start with Nestle Company. For Nestle Company, 2019, 2020 and 2021, in the item of liquidity ratio, its ratio under 1 so that the company debts due in a year or less are greater than its asset. Even current liability exceeds its current asset. Sum the activities ratio, inventory turnover is managed efficiently, but the assets are not well used efficiently in 3 years. The leverage ratio, a financial of less than 1 is usually considered good, but debt to equity higher is considered risk, and lower time interests are available to meet interest payment. The profitability ratio in 3 years is high, and also can help the company to reduce costs, increase turnover, and productivity. The Dutch Lady Company, for Dutch Lady Company 2019, 2020, and 2021, the liquidity ratio is ratio higher than 1 so that the company are capable of paying their short-term obligation because current liabilities lower than current asset. Same the activities ratio, inventory turnover is managed efficiently and the assets are being used efficiently in 3 years. The leverage ratio, a financial of less than 1 is usually considered good and debt to equity is good if it's around 1 to 1.5. This is considered a risky prospect and higher time interest in favorable. The profitability ratio is 3 years is high and the company has effective control of costs or that sales are increasing faster than operating costs.
Hello, my name is Naatira Betty Muhammad Nazir. My magic number is 8182804. I ask R&D department. So, there are several recommendations that they need to implement to improve the performance of their organization. First, Nestle and Dutch Lady should invest in R&D for their brand so that it can be produce innovative products and create new products of better quality to increase the demand of these products. R&D is very effective way for Nestle and Dutch Lady companies to improve their business organization and it can contribute the long-term profit for their companies. Next, Nestle and Dutch Lady should reduce costs to improve their organization so that there is no waste or loss the company and no damage to stock to reduce the cost of stock storage in the company warehouse. In addition, increase the level of sales is also a way to improve the organization for these companies. Both companies, Dutch Lady and Nestle, need to be smart in the beginning of their sales so that there is a lot of demand for their companies. They are advised to promote their products through the online marketing strategy because this is the one way that they can take to increase their sales level. So, for conclusion, according to our report on financial analysis of Nestle and Dutch Lady, horizontal and vertical analysis is important to monitor the financial performance of the company every year. Overall, this report is very useful for us because we can know how to prepare financial ratio and analyze financial. This can also improve our knowledge about finance because it is very important for us because financial knowledge can be applied in the future, especially in business. Therefore, through this report, we can also understand the technique, application, and user for finance to determine the company performance.